Hi folks, my name is Ian with LobbySigns.com, and I want to show you just how easy it is to install your very own sign. It's actually fun too, because LobbySigns.com has already done the work. We're the original makers of the world's easiest sign kit. How easy is it? I'm going to show you. Okay, all you need is a little bit of tape, a tape measure, and a pair of scissors. And once you have that, we're just going to unroll the pattern that's provided in the box, and you put it on the wall exactly where you want it. And I just use a couple pieces of tape in each corner, straighten the pattern. I'm going to put 4 pieces as shown. And once you get that done, we're simply going to cut the pattern top and bottom like this. Just leave an 1/8 inch, enough for you to see where the letters are going to go. And do that around the letters and around the logo if you have one. And then we're going to simply just peel the back of each letter. The tape's already on them, so we're just going to peel the red tape off each letter. And we're going to drop the letters right on the pattern where you cut out earlier. So you simply just drop each letter on, one at a time. You see how easy that is and how that lines up beautifully? And if you have a logo, we're going to drop the logo in, simply push it to the wall, and just remove the paper pattern from the letters and the logo. Now I told you it was easy, and look how professional your lobby can look. So save your time and money and order your lobby sign today.